Hello there and welcome to my channel. Today in Luminar Neo we're looking at layers and for today's example what I want to do is add some steam coming out of this cup in this image. So let's give it a go together and get to it. So so we've got an image here of yours truly awkwardly holding this cup, and I'd like to add some steam coming out the cup, and to do that I'm going to add a layer of another photograph which I took from unsplash.com, which is a free website where we can download images. Okay, so first thing I need to do is come across to layers, and I'm going to add a layer. Here I've got the image that I previously downloaded from unsplash.com. I'll put a link to it in the video if you're interested in seeing that. But it's a good repository of lots of free images, very worthwhile taking a look at. So I'm going to click once on this layer, give that a moment. Okay, and now we can see there is an image being overlaid of some steam. Okay, it's not the right size or anything like that. And if we look across to the right, we can see that the opacity is at 50%. So we can see the image below it as well. Okay, so what I'm going to first of all do is I'm going to move the overlay around, because I want to place now the steam into the cup as best as I can get it. I want to get it also that the steam is really below my t-shirt level. I don't want it across my face because you wouldn't see it. So let's bring this down a bit. Obviously the picture is quite wide, so I need to bring that in now because I need to try and get this to fit the cup. So start playing around trying to find something that might just work. Maybe just touch them, bring that in just a bit more, and maybe something just a bit like that. Okay, so a couple of things here to note. So you can see here at the top of the image, the where it finishes there, we might have a bit of a straight line when we blend this image together, and I'll need to look at that. And obviously we've got loads of steam coming out the bottom of the cup, which isn't quite natural, so we need to get rid of that. So what I can do is, if I come over to the right hand side to the layer properties and click on the masking tool, and now if I select brush, I've got two options. I can paint or erase, and I'll just check the size of that brush. Yeah, so I'm going to erase part of this image, and as you can see there, as I am erasing it, we are losing the steam. Okay, and have we lost it all? I think we have. I'll just to be sure, I'm just going to click down here. Okay, and then just because we've got a bit of a straight line here, I'm just going to make the brush smaller, and I'm just going to make this a little bit more jagged, just to in case the straight line becomes visible. And let's have a look at that now. Okay, so we've got some steam now coming out the cup. We need to come back over to the properties, and we need to look at the blending mode. So when you start off, it will always be on normal, but we need to select a blending mode that now fits in with the image, and I think quite likely it'll be either lighten or screen. So I'm going to click on screen and see if that works, and it does. So we're not really seeing anything, but it's the steam. It's only at 50% opacity, so I'm going to bring that up, and there it is. So we don't want it looking too strong because it is just a little bit of steam coming out of the cup, and we don't want the emphasis to be on the steam. You still want to be looking at the picture as a whole. So we've got rid of the steam that was shown below, so we're pretty much there. If we want to lose the sizing box, we can just look at click on the layer properties, and there we've added steam, to a cup being held by a bloke awkwardly. There you go. That was it. Well, I hope you found that interesting. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you at the next video. Thank you for your time.